I finally got my hands on Orbai's coveted 15 years limited edition anniversary set, so I thought I'd celebrate the occasion with a big bouncy hair tutorial using all of my favorite Orbai products that are included in this 15-piece set and available on Orbai.com. First, I'll wash my hair with Orbai's top-selling Gold Lust Repair and Restore shampoo and conditioner. You guys, prepare for a luxurious wash that'll leave your hair feeling like silk. Once my tresses are pampered and pristine, it's time to shield them from the heat with Orbai's Run-Through Detangling Primer. Then just a spritz of the Royal Blowout Heat Styling Spray before blow drying. Section off your locks and whip out your hot rollers. My signature trick for perfect curls: work some of Orbai's cult favorite Dry Texturizing Spray into your strands. Fun fact, legendary hairdresser and Orbai's co-founder Orbai Canales called upon his decades of styling to develop this first-of-its-kind texturizing spray. Your curls will be set to mesmerize. While I wait for everything to cool and set, I'll treat myself to an indulgent hand massage using Orbai's Côte d'Azur Restorative Body Cream. Oh, and trust me, this signature scent is a celebration in itself. Picture notes of jasmine and sandalwood all dancing in harmony. Now the moment of truth. Remove those hot rollers and unleash the power of Orbai's Superfine Hair Spray. Orbai designed this hairspray to bring new technology to old-style glamour, resulting in flexible, shiny, soft control. A few quick brushes and you'll achieve a look that's nothing short of spectacular. Orbai, take a bow. You've outdone yourself once again.